Hi guys, and welcome to another Watch Geek video and another unboxing. And in this box is a G-Shock that I actually bought for myself. If you follow my channel, you know I review a lot of G-Shocks and I do a lot of tutorials for G-Shocks. In fact, that's how I started this channel. And over the years, I've owned many of them. And whenever someone asks me what your favorite G-Shock is, my answer is always my DW5000 SL that's been with me for, I believe now, about 12 years. And you can see that it's been beaten to death. And I actually did a long-term review of it, and I'll put a link in the corner of the screen. And that thing, I mean, I just love it. I understand all the complicated ones, but this one, the timeless design, the simple module that actually has a 2-year battery officially, but this one actually got changed after about 10 to 11 years. So if you're not going to use the light function all the time, these things can really last. And naturally, I bought a square, the next evolution of the square model. So let's open the package and see what actually I got. Okay, so this box has proven to be a bit of a challenge because it's been taped up all over. So let's open it and take out the goodies. Now, I got this from Casio Croatia directly because I have a guy there that sends me all the new models for reviews, and when I want to purchase something I also contact him. So as you can see, I got the duffel bag that I already had in my channel. I got some straps because I want to replace the ones on my DW5000 SL, and I also got a new bezel because this one, as you can see, has been ruined by paint that I cannot remove. I mean, if I remove that, it's going to remove the lettering, but also the lettering has been pretty much ruined already. So I will be switching it, and I'll be making a video on it because I actually will mod it a bit. I'll be using not the original bezel but something else. But you can already see by the box what model I got. So let's remove the rest of the package. There's another duffel bag, and see the box itself. And seeing the box, you probably already know this is the new DW-E5600cc, the circuit board, and it's an evolution of the square because this is the first square model to come with a carbon core guard structure, meaning that the case is not made from the regular resin, but instead it's made of carbon reinforced plastic, while my DW5000 SL is a screwback model with a stainless steel case. So let's see if this can be a successful replacement for this model. Now let's open the box and see how it looks. Let me just figure out how to open it. I believe this is a sleeve. No, you open it here. And when this model came out, I didn't want to take it. I mean, I didn't take it right away. I didn't buy it right away. I was looking at all the reviews and all that, and then I decided that I just have to have it. Not only because it's the next step in the evolution of squares, but because I love the look. Now look at this. Wow, the box really mimics the model itself. Okay, so opening it, inside there's this sponge material, and inside the watch with additional bezels and straps, because this, like I said, is another evolution. So with this model, Casio actually realized there's a lot of potential with modding your watches and changing straps, which is something they already did with the GA2000, I believe, which was the first carbon core guard structure. Casio that had those quick release spring bars, so they included that on this model as well. So let's open the watch, and as you can see, you have the basic black strap, you have the gray strap, and naturally a black bezel if you want to wear it like normally. But this is the one that looks really cool because it mimics the 3229 module circuit board that's inside. And look at it. Let me just zoom in. Wow, this is cool. And again, if you follow my channel, you know I love these positive screen G-Shocks. I'm really not a fan of the negative ones. And look on the side, as you can see, carbon core structure, carbon core guard. So this case is made out of carbon, and as you can see, the biggest difference is that this bezel is not held in place with screws like this one is. So if you want to exchange the bezel, there's a tool that's supplied. You just put it in here and you pop the bezel open and then place the new one. So this is gonna make changing the strap and the bracelet much easier because, like I said, the strap also uses these quick release spring bars. Now, like I said, this is just the unboxing and first impressions, but I will be doing a full review after I spend some time with the watch. And since I plan on keeping this, it's gonna be with me for quite some time. I don't know if it's gonna earn its place to be as long as this one has, but we'll see. Now the module is pretty basic, so it's the modern evolution of this. This is the 1545 and this is the 3229. They're basically the same, with the difference being that on this the calendar goes up to 2039, year 2039, while on this it goes up to 2099. So this is just has the updated calendar, everything else is the same. And like I like to say about these modules, they have everything you need and nothing you don't. So you have a basic alarm, a 24-hour countdown timer, a 24-hour stopwatch, and that's pretty much it. It really has everything you need. But the looks of this watch are what makes it so special. Wow, I really love it. I want to put it on my wrist, and the dimensions are pretty much identical to this. Only the width is a bit bigger on this one, probably because of the hooks used to keep the bezel in place. So let's remove my DW5000 and put this new DWE5600 on my wrist. Now, when they started introducing these carbon core guard models, I knew that the square is gonna get that update in the future, and that future has surely come. So let me just put it on. And here it is on my 6.7-inch wrist. Now the square is pretty much perfect in size for anyone, from a small wrist to a large wrist. This is just a timeless classic. I like to call it's a submariner of digital watches. It's timeless, it's legendary, and it's just so tough. The one thing that I notice is that this is much lighter than this DW5000, but like I said, this has a stainless steel case like the original G-Shocks made in the 80s. I still love these, and these are really great for people who are used to mechanical watches, and especially mechanical dive watches that are very heavy. When you go from a mechanical watch to a G-Shock, they sometimes feel light, and that makes you feel like they're cheap. With this one, you get the heft, so this is a great transition model before you go into G-Shocks all in. And these are pretty much bulletproof and time-proof. This thing will probably outlast me. Whether this is going to be the case with these carbon core ones, we'll see. The time will tell, and I do plan on wearing it. But my God, it's so beautiful. Wow. I really do love it. Anyways, that's it when it comes to this unboxing and first impressions. And I want to thank Casio Croatia for sending this. I mean, I did buy it, but thank you for all the extras that they sent me. And once I get the new bezel and strap for this one, I'm also going to be modding it, replacing it. I'm going to be doing a video about that as well. Like I said, stay tuned for the full review of this model. The tutorial is really unnecessary since it's the same module like used in this one, and I already did that tutorial. But I might do a tutorial on how to exchange the bezel and strap. Although on this, it's probably going to be very simple. I'm going to go and enjoy this watch and probably wear it 24/7 for the first couple of weeks. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please like and subscribe. And until the next video, bye.